So, dear friends, once again welcome. Let us solve this question. This question uh, is of the Truss problem, and let us read the statement of the problem. So, determine the force produced in each bar of the tower shown in figure due to a horizontal force P applied at the top as shown in figure. So, you can see here what are the key points in this the problem statements. So, we have to find out the forces in each members. And what about the given force? This is the given force. So this one, the P is the given force. Okay. So let us solve this. Okay. So there is only one applied force at the joint A. Okay. And at the lower, the structure, the structure, the whole structure, or you can say the truss is grounded. ओके आप देख सकते हैं या grounded. So now question is from where we have to start our analysis. So analysis में क्या find out करते हैं unknown forces in the all members. Okay. So if we start from the lower section, then we need to know about the support reactions. Support reactions at here, at the joint F, and at the joint G. So to know support reactions, let's start a study from the joint A. Okay. So in this case, no need to then get the support reactions. Okay. So at the joint, now we have to apply the equilibrium conditions. Equilibrium conditions at the joint A. We are applying the equilibrium condition at the joint A. So this is the P, and this one. So क्या कहते हैं जो भी एक्सियल फोर्सेस है लाइक दिस F1 F2 we represent by the tension forces. Okay. और उसके बाद जो भी वैल्यू आए, जो भी मैग्नीट्यूड आए, इफ F1 सपोज वी गेट माइनस वैल्यू, देन अपना एजम्पशन है वट एवर लाइक टेंशन है, तो क्या हो जाएगा एक्चुअल में ये कंप्रेशन में है. एंड F2 सपोज वी गेट द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, और F1 वी गेट द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, मीन्स आवर assumptions are correct one. Okay, so that's why initially take all like going away from the joint. So F1 F2, and what about angle? So angles are given here, and suppose for this structure you can say it is whatever this will make the angle, the same angle will be made by the F2 from the horizontal axis. Okay, so let us say it is a so from the given structure, as you can see here, it is 75 degree, so this angle will be also 75 degree. So it is 75 degree, and similarly it is 75 degree. So what we get, so we have started our study from here. Okay, but before that let us identify the zero force members. Let's identify zero force members. बिकॉज अगर ऐसे करते जाएंगे तो इट विल टेक मोर टाइम. अभी तो हम सिर्फ ज्वाइंट ए की बात कर रहे हैं, देन ज्वाइंट बी, देन ज्वाइंट डी, देन ज्वाइंट एफ, सपोज सी, ई. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट why not to identify the zero force members so that the calculations, more calculations can be avoided. So in this structure, the F7, this one, F8, F9, F10. So F7, F8, F9 and F10 are the zero force members. And how? So it is well described in the video which is given in the description box. Okay, so you can refer there. ये सारे जीरोस क्यों हैं? ओके, तो नाउ अब देखिए इसमें ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द टाइम वी कैन मिनिमाइज्ड. ओके, सो देन व्हाट आर द फोर्सेस वी हैव टू गेट? F1, F2, then F3, then F5, then F4, then F6. Okay, so let us find out. Okay, so from here we can find out by applying the equilibrium conditions, by satisfying it. So it is equal to summation of fx is equal to 0. Then what we get? Minus f1 cos 75 degree, then plus f2 cos 75 degree plus p is equal to 0. So this is the one equation. Okay, what about the second equilibrium condition? Summation of fy is equal to 0. Then what we get? So we get here then minus f1 sine 75 degree, similarly minus f2 sine 75 degree is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. Okay, so from the second equation, this one f1 will be what? f1 minus f2 is equal to 0, means f minus f1 is equal to f2. So means f1 is equal to minus f2. Okay, and by putting the value of f1, putting the value of f1 in equation 1, we get it is minus f2 and cos 75 degree plus f2 cos 75 degree plus p is equal to 0. So by simplifying this, what we get? So we get f2 is equal to minus p, then 2 cos 75 degree is equal to minus 1.93 p. Okay, so f1 will be what? Then f1 will be plus 1.93 p. Okay, so what about other forces? So coming to the figure, if it is f1 is f1, this is the f1, f3, so both are collinear. Okay, अब देख सकते हैं डायरेक्शन कैसा होगा. Suppose joint B से and similarly from the joint D. So force F3 and force F5 are the collinear. Like from here we can see collinear. So what will be the F1 and F3 and F5? So here F1 will be equal to F3 is equal to F5 and is equal to 1.93 P. Similarly, F2, then F4, and then F6 will be what? So will be what? So what we have? This we have. So it is with minus sign 1.93 P. So in this way we have analyzed this structure, this tower, yeah, you can say this truss. Okay, by identifying the zero force members we have saved almost half of the time. So with this, thank you.